Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Shift Architect tutorial how to point-to-point resize. So we have these example objects, and if you want to set point-to-point resize, you can insert the points, use these tools, point, and I will click at the center point to set the point, and the second point I will create at this point. Now, if you want to recess with these points, you can select the objects, click the transform tools in the bottom here, and use the recess. Don't forget to set about a current point, or you can set about absolute point. Click OK, and then I will move from this counter points into the center point, and you can move from these points into this point. So that's it for a basic Shift Architect tutorial, how to point-to-point resize. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.